Helen, will you have the voters say, "Greetings, everybody"?
Greetings, everybody.
Now will you have him repeat that in a high voice?
Greetings, everybody.
How can it be practically applied?
Greetings,
Well, Dr. Caldwell, we don't anticipate any commercial use for the voters. However, we noticed a little while ago that a vowel sustained without inflection didn't sound human. It sounded this way. It is a byproduct of developments that we are going on, and now we get this. Yes, voter can not only talk, but he can sing. Test your voice for us, voters. Suppose you sing a song for us. Well, how about Old Lang Syne?
Okay.
This is the way the world ends. This is the way the world ends. This is the way the world ends. Not with a bang.